This is how adults have fun. We absolutely enjoy them. We're going to take them up here on the roadway, which most of the time our bikes, we ride them up on the hills and on our pavement. I mean, on our gravel. It's a little bit smoother on the pavement. Look at that chicken hawk. I see you, buddy. I see you. They're a lot of fun. We definitely have a bunch of fun with them. It's nice, you know, the kids are up watching a movie right now. They've been outside working today, so we thought we would just go for a ride for the adults, and that's what we're doing. So, like we said earlier, these e-bikes make a perfect toy for husband and wife. You can go do things, go on little bike rides, and I'm going to explain some of them here in just a second. So you can either give it a little bit of electric, or you can actually pedal as well. So if you give it a little bit of electric and you pedal, it will go ahead and stay there, and it will. You don't have to actually pull the handle back. So, like I say, we absolutely enjoy them. Now, when you come up these big hills, you definitely got to have a little bit of power with it. So always save it. What do you think about them, Steph?
I love them, especially going down the road.
Yeah, it's a lot smoother.
Yes.
But like I said, guys, don't let the country fool you on these. You can have a lot of fun with them out in the country. All right, what do you think about them, babe?
I really enjoy them, especially in the evenings. It's really cool outside. It's not too hot, not too cold, and it's a blast just being able to have fun as adults.
So kind of explain a little bit of this on the bike. What's going on here?
All right, well, I might not have the right terms, but you have your light for in the dark. You have a light. Then you have your horn. And then obviously you have a front brake, a back brake, and then there's a power button right in the middle. That actually turns it off and turns it on. You just hold it down. And then over here, you actually have brights. That's for your screen. It brightens up your screen. And then you have a power up, and which goes to number 5. So you can start it at 0, where that's where you are the only one working the bike. There's no electric. Then you go to 1, which is kind of like beginners, and then it goes kind of moderate all the way up to high gear. But you also have these gears over here that kind of slows you down if you're at 1, kind of like beginners, and then you work your way up to the fastest speed, which is the
If you're
7.
going up a hill or something.
Yes.
I see that you've almost been 18 miles.
Yes, I have.
17 and a half. But overall, would you recommend people to try them out?
I would, only because like we are an outdoors family. So I take, in the summertime, Brandon may be at work, and I take the kids to the park quite often, and we can actually just load these up in the back of the truck and take them for a bike ride.
So obviously we let the kids ride them as well. On this one here, you can actually let the handlebars up or down, or you
Yes.
can let the seat down. You can raise it up as high as you want it. And you tighten it just like this if you need to get it tightened. Same thing is
Yeah, same thing with the handlebars.
right. Same thing with the handlebars. And down here is your key to unlock it if you're going to replace the battery or something. I don't know why you would. Other than that, they're really easy to operate. We really enjoy them, and we're super excited that Jason reached out to us and chose us to try their bikes out and do a collaboration with them. We're super excited. So like I say, we'll leave a link down in the description box. Hope each and every one of y'all have a wonderful day.